we use both, either, and neither to refer to two people or things. However, while they are similar, they aren't the same. Hi, welcome to English Academy 101. My name is Michael, and I'm here to help you with your English learning journey. Today, we are going to learn about the differences between both, either, and neither in English. First, we are going to look at how to use both. Next, we will look at how to use either. After, we are going to look at how to use neither. Lastly, we will look at the differences between either and neither. If you would like to skip ahead to any part in today's lesson, we have added video chapters below that you can select. Both. Both is used to talk about two things. You can use it with both nouns and adjectives. Both A and B. For example, I like both ice cream and pizza. She is both pretty and tall. They have both a car and a motorcycle. Both of plus determiner plus plural noun. You can use determiners, such as possessive adjectives, with both. For example, both of my sisters are older than me. Both of the schools have been rivals for a long time. Both of the kids have been friends for a long time. Both of plus object pronoun. You can also use object pronouns, such as us, with both. For example, they invited both of us to the party. Verb plus object pronoun plus both. For example, I hope that the university accepts us both. Either. The word either is used to talk about one of two things. Either A or B. For example, you can have either a chocolate cake or ice cream. Either John or Sam is going to pick us up. You can choose either a car or a motorcycle. Neither. Neither is used to talk about not this thing and not the other thing. This is the negative form of both. Neither A nor B. For example, I want neither cake nor ice cream. Neither Sam nor Jake helped us. I neither sing nor dance. Neither plus singular noun. For example, neither school participated in the competition. Neither team had an advantage. Neither of plus pronoun. For example, neither of us want to swim. Neither of them wanted to help. Neither versus either. You can replace neither with either if you change the positive verb in the neither phrase with a negative verb. For example, I have neither friends nor family becomes I don't have either friends or family. In conclusion, another way to look at the differences between both, either, and neither is that both is used with positive verbs. Either is used with positive or negative verbs. Neither is used with positive verbs. If you would like some more practice with the differences between both, either, and neither, check out our website, EnglishAcademy101.com, where we have included some additional exercises. We've included a link in the description below. That's it for now. Don't forget to keep studying your English.